Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery in the Google Pixel 4 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle, the flash sensor plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and sensor plug from the board. And now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, place a new battery on the body with adhesive. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board and then place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the battery plug and bottom bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Google Pixel 4 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.